morning, and thank you for coming for Story Hour. Ah! Watch out for Tommy and his sword.
A sword. Sword.
The sword is very dangerous. Be careful of the sword. Today we're going to be reading The Rain Stomper by Addie Boswell with pictures by Eric Velasquez. Oh no. And you can see that there is somebody who is doing some serious stomping. She is stomping in the rain. She's jumping and stomping in the rain. Do you ever go outside in the rain? When it's raining, do you go outside?
You're not ready to read.
I can start going to read, but actually I'm going to just turn off the microphone because I hear the meeting there.
No.
Okay, so we're going to read The Rain Stomper by Addie Boswell with pictures by Eric Velasquez. Here it goes. Whoa, it looks like there's like a marching band or something. I don't know. On the first day of spring, Jazmine flipped out of bed. She twirled her baton. She swirled in her new red suit. Today was the day of her big parade. All the children on the block would join in. Dancers, drummers, cheerleaders, dogs. Jazmine could already hear the neighbors cheering and the tat-a-tat boom. This is going to be great. She's very good at twirling a baton. Jazmine threw open her front door. Wind whistled through her hair. Thunder rumbled the ground. The sun scuttled behind the clouds. The sky twisted into a thick black coil. Slap, clatter, clatter, slap. Rain poured down in buckets. Boom, walla boom, boom. Thunder rattles the bricks in the walls. Clink, clink, whoosh! The wind plunged her family back into their beds. Even the weeds slunk back into the earth. Jazmine hated the rain. It ruined parades. It silenced the horns and the drums. It tripped up the dancers and the dogs. It soaked new red suits. Mud puddler, Jazmine muttered. Tap, tippity, tap, tap. Cloud crasher, she complained. Clack, clickety, clack. Parade wrecker, she rumbled. Tat, rattle, rattle, tat. Boom, walla, boom, boom, the rain roared. Bang, walla, bang, bang, the rain crashed. Bam, walla, bam, bash, the rain bellowed. Boom, walla, boom, walla, walla, boom. Jazmine stepped onto her stoop. She lifted her baton and shook it. She's mad now. Slap, clatter, clatter, slap. Rain slapped against the sidewalk. Boom, walla, boom. Thunder rattled the windows. Bam, walla, bam, bash. Jazmine shook her fists. She stomped her feet. You want to shake your fists? clatter, clatter, slap. She kicked the rain down her steps. Splish, splish, whack. She splashed it down the sidewalk. She chased the rain into the street. What is she doing? I am Jazmine, the rain stomper, she yelled. Jazmine stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted until children peered from their doorsteps. Their feet tapped, kerplop, plop, plop. Their hands clapped, kerplunk, plunk, plunk. Splash some more, rain stomper, they shouted. Splash higher, rain stomper, they yelled. Stomp bigger, Jazmine. Oh, she's got some people watching. Jazmine splashed more and higher and bigger. She spun, she shook, she even rat-a-tat-tapped. The sun peeked out and beamed. The puddles shimmied. The children cheered. Can you say yay? Yay! More children poured out of their houses. They stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted. Then they drummed and whirled and flipped and twirled. Children flooded the street. Even the weeds came out. And so it was that Jazmine, the rain stomper, and her parade of puddle splashers out-stomped the rain. Slap, clatter, bam, bash, boom, walla, bang, crash. And that is the whole story of The Rain Stomper by Addie Boswell with pictures by Eric Velasquez. And thank you for coming for Story Hour. See you next time. Bye.